Misreading priority signs fails many German driving exam because many drivers look at the road and not the sign. In this video, I will explain how to read priority road signs correctly in Germany. With this video, you will understand how to identify the priority road at unmarked intersections, then how to understand the directions and how long the priority continues. So once you understand this, intersections become much easier to handle. Now let's understand what the core rule says. So here is the core rule. The priority road signs define who has the priority or right of way. Then it continues across multiple intersections and it remains valid until the end of priority road sign appears. So whenever we are driving at an unmarked intersections and if we have a priority sign, the priority will be defined based on the priority sign board. Then this priority will be valid until we see end of priority road sign. And additionally, we need to remember that this priority will continue across multiple intersections. And here we need to remember that the priority is not based on the road shape and is defined by the signs. Now let's understand this rule along with the diagram. So now here we can clearly see a T intersection, and at this particular intersection the red color vehicle is coming from the left lane, and additionally the green color vehicle is coming from the right hand lane. Now here in this case the red color vehicle want to go straight, and additionally the green color vehicle wants to turn right. So now here we might be having a question, who will be having the first priority? So now here in this case the red color vehicle has a priority signboard. So this confirms that he will be having the first priority, because in core rule we have understood that if we are driving at unmarked intersection where we have a priority signboard, in that case that vehicle will have the priority, and this priority will continue across multiple intersections until we see a end of priority signboard. So this confirms that the red color vehicle will have the first priority and then the green color vehicle will have the second priority. Additionally, we need to remember that if we are driving at an unmarked intersection and if one lane has a priority sign, the second lane users will always have a give way signboard. So this is one of the important information what we need to remember. So as the red color vehicle has a priority sign, he will cross the intersection first, and then the green color vehicle will cross the intersection second. So this is why the red color vehicle will cross the intersection first, and as soon as he crosses the intersection, the green color vehicle will cross the intersection second. So this is how the priority will work when we see a priority road sign. Now let's understand the second case. So here again we can see a red color vehicle coming on a main road, and here we can see there is a priority signboard, and in this case also the red color vehicle want to go straight. So as here we have a priority signboard, the red color vehicle has the first priority and he don't have to wait, so he can cross the intersection without waiting at this particular intersection of the road, and this priority will continue for the multiple intersections until we see a end of priority signboard. So now let's understand when this rule does not apply. So whenever we are driving at an unmarked intersection and if we see a end of priority signboard, in that case this rule will not apply. Second, whenever we see a traffic lights which are controlling the junctions, in that case this rule will not apply. And lastly, if there are policemen who are giving instructions, in that case also this rule will not apply. So whenever we see policemen giving an instructions, in that case we have to follow policemen. So this overrides the priority road rule. Now let's understand what are the common German driving exam mistakes. So common mistakes include missing the end of priority road sign. So many of the time new learners miss the end of priority signboard and they think that they are driving on a priority road. So this is one of the common exam mistake. Second, assuming the straight road always has a priority. So this is also one of the common mistake what we need to avoid. And lastly, not reading the sign diagram properly. Reacting late because of poor observation is one of the common driving exam mistake. So here examiners expect early recognition. Now let's understand what should be the correct thinking process. So now when we are approaching to an intersection, think like this. Firstly, we need to identify the priority road signs early. If we have priority road signs, then we don't have to wait at that particular intersection. We can drive continuously straight ahead. Second, we need to understand its direction. This means that we have to identify in which direction the priority goes. Third, check if priority continues or ends. So we can identify this with priority sign and end of priority sign board. And lastly, adjust your driving accordingly. Always remember, follow the signs, not the road shape. I have also recorded a practical driving video where we follow priority road signs through multiple intersections. That will help you recognize and apply these signs in real driving situations. That's it from this video. Now you clearly understand how to read priority road signs in Germany.